you're experiencing frame stuttering in Rocket League, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help reduce or eliminate stuttering. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Make sure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers. This can improve performance and fix bugs that may cause stuttering. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Open Rocket League and navigate to the settings menu. Lower the graphics settings such as texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. This can help your system run the game more smoothly. Step 3. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background while playing Rocket League. Programs like web browsers, streaming software, or other games can consume system resources and lead to stuttering. Step 4. Optimize game mode. If you're using Windows 10 or 11, enable game mode. Go to Settings, Gaming Game Mode and turn it on. This feature prioritizes system resources for gaming, which can help reduce stuttering. Step 5. Check network connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Use a wired connection if possible, as Wi-Fi can introduce latency. Additionally, check for any background downloads or updates that might be using bandwidth. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in the frame stuttering issues you're experiencing in Rocket League. Enjoy your gaming.